Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we're returning back to the main menu, and just to let you all know what's happening with the series, we spent so much time doing the special moves. We've still got to clean those up. We still have to work on the opponent AI. The opponent AI is going to take even more work than the special moves, so to give a little bit of a break between doing the two, I thought I'd just do a few videos where we just hop around and do different things. It just helps to break up the series, I think. And then of course we'll be coming back, tidying up the special moves, and of course doing some more AI. But for now, we're going to work again on the main menu. And we're going to come to the private string array we created. And between toPlayer and quit, we're going to put in a new string of options. And with that done, let's now come down to script. So the void on GUI, we're going to alter the size of the group to begin with. So main menu button height times 3, obviously we're increasing by 1, so that's 4. There'll be 3 offsets between now, so 2 to 3 there. And now we've got the buttons, so let's leave 1 and 2 player alone. And I'll copy the block that says GUI.setNextControlName quit. And I'll copy and paste that above it. So next controller name now will be options. And we'll change the comment. And we'll just go through and change. There's not a lot that needs to be changed. Quit. Printing quit here, we need to change that to print options. And of course we'll change that in the comments. I'll just tidy up the part of the script I'm dealing with in sense of comments. Obviously I'll tidy it up some more, the rest of the script should I say, once we've actually, well, off camera. So now GUI set next control name quit, main menu button height, we need to increase this by 1. So let's have a look, create button. Don't think there's anything else now we need to change here. Apart from selected button change to 3. And there we're ending the group, so that's all fine. So let's now just have a look at the rest of the script. I'm just going to come to main menu button press. We need to create a new case. So that we'll copy paste to, we'll paste that in above. We'll get rid of the quitting game equals true. So we do need to create another audio clip, so but we'll do that in a minute, and we'll just change the quit now to case 3. So let's just copy one of the audio clips. So I'll copy the quit one, we'll change that to options button. Obviously you can just use the variable for the start or quit button if you wish. Options. Let's copy this new variable now. And we'll come to the case. So we'll just copy and paste the options button audio in there. We'll change that in the comments also. So we don't need to do anything with this enumerator. So let's come to the void update. So everything at the beginning, that can remain the same. So can the first few if blocks. So here, if get axis vertical and selected button equals 2, we'll just paste that in below. So definitely needs tidying up the script, but well, as I said, just tidying up comments. I know none of you just want a video of me doing that, so I'll do that afterwards. So select button double equals 3, selected button equals, and again we'll increase that by 1. So that's fine. Now we're going to have a look at this. If input get axis vertical and select button double equals 2, we're going to change that to 3. Remember, the first button is number 0. And now we've changed that. Let me just check. Do need to change the comment there also. And we'll also copy this again for the last if block for the get input axis vertical is less than 0. Equals 1. We need to change that to equal 2. And we need to increase the selected button to 3. And let's save that off there. And I just missed a comma there. There we go. Let's hit play. So here we go. We now have an options button in place. Let's just see if we can go down and select them all. I can't go any further down than quit. So there we have it. We now have the options button working now. We will need to change this further. Obviously it's very plain looking. We need the buttons to scale with screen size, but we'll do all that at a much later date, because I'm sure a lot of you want to get on with the more interesting things. But as I said, I'm just doing a few easy videos just in between the parts of the game that are really long, just to help break things up, hopefully keep the series a lot more enjoyable. So anyway, we'll leave it here for this video. As always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.